What's up everyone? How's it going? Mac here with another weekly vlog. So I just got the car back from the body shop. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film any of the stuff they did over there, but I do have it back now in my possession. Let's take a look to see how it turned out. It has a bit of an old school feeling still to it.
Yeah, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
Why does it feel like it wants to pull?
It might be something to do with the rear engine, but probably because the alignment's not done yet.
Yeah, maybe.
It's crazy. We got it for 70 grand. We're like.
I know, and then a month later we're driving it.
I know.
Okay?
Sounds crazy now.
Someone was looking out, I want to go there.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Sounds nuts.
I don't know if I changed the exhaust.
I know. It's fast.
Yeah, you get in trouble in this car.
Oh yeah. Second gear, that's all you need in town is first and second.
Yeah. Right?
What's up guys, Mac here. I am at the alignment shop and I just brought the guy over here. We're gonna do the alignment to it. So I reached out to August earlier last week just to see if by chance they had any stickers or like a file to send me to make a new August sticker. I wanted to put the August sticker back on the other side, the side that had the damage. I just think it looks cool in the car, and people will obviously recognize and know the car when they see it, and they'll appreciate it a little bit more. So I did reach out to them and they were super nice to send me some stickers. And not only did they do that, but they sent me a sick little swag package with some lanyards and some tags. And they sent me 2 nice brand new stickers for the side of the car. So I just wanted to give a shout out to August. Thank you so much for sending that. That was super nice of you guys. And yeah, hopefully one day I get to meet you guys, maybe bring the car out that way. But thanks for doing that for me. I really appreciate it.
Arc brake doesn't work because this could have been a bit of a cop center.
Do you want to be on YouTube or not?
I don't really care. I don't really like my voice on TV, but...
Try filming yourself. Yep. If you actually want to start it, you might have to hit the clutch though.
Oh. I need to start it. Show you in a second, and it's out a lot. This wasn't just from the accident either.
Oh really? Front too?
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah.
These are all supposed to be green. So we got some adjustments to make.
Good old Lambo. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So it's towed out and cambered, it looks like?
Oh yeah. Okay, so we want rear. Holy, this is off the charts.
Is that the left rear, that 0.33?
This is your total tow.
Oh, total, okay.
So that's the difference between both.
Yeah.
They're out. And the camber, it's not horrible. The camber in the right rear is perfect.
Oh really?
Look at this is your right rear. This is the accident.
That's hilarious.
Is it toes?
So
Not
Tony
even.
did something right.
Well, he did a pretty good job. Okay, let's see what kind of adjustments we have here.
All right.
We should take them all out. Take that out, maybe.
How many are in there?
3.
A whole bunch, eh?
Yeah. I'll go to 2, and if I gotta redo this and recompensate it a couple times, so be it.
Yeah.
And now I'm at 1.2.
1.2 after the shim's removed.
I wonder if I should take out a front one as well.
Now is that total or just this one side?
Well, see our total toes coming a little closer in.
Oh, okay, at the bottom there, yeah.
I wonder if I should take out a shim in the one more shim in the back maybe, and maybe one in the front, because it's hard. Well, because now it's saying that the rear camber is in spec.
Could have been the alignment of this versus it's actually sitting on the hub, maybe? Well, that might have changed it. Okay.
Are we good?
No. 0.01. You're like almost on the green. Yeah, you're in the green now. 0.37. 0.36.
Yeah, it's just me tightening. It's done.
Yeah.
Everything's green?
Everything's green except for the front camber. Or the rear camber now on this side. By 0.1 though. Which is fine. Yeah.
I gotta call Corey and tell him.
Okay. Yep. What's up, guys? So it's now Saturday. We got the alignment all done yesterday. We were there pretty late till about 8:30 at night. Took quite a bit to get the alignment done because the way the alignment works on these cars is all done by shims in the rear as well as the front. So basically the dual wishbone control arm setup, you gotta, every time you want to make an adjustment, you got to unbolt the control arms and slide out these metal shims, and that basically adjusts the camber and the toe. To add or remove camber, you have to remove the shims on both sides of the control arm, and to add or remove toe, you basically remove shims from either one side of the control arm on the bottom side. So after a long night, we got all that done, and it's now Saturday. We are working on fixing the e-brake cable. It was pulled out during the accident, so it pulled out from the center of the car right at the handle. So let's go in the shop right now and see if we can figure that out. Here's the cable. It's gotta go up underneath the car into the center, if you can't see from down here, and reconnect to the handle up there. So that's what we're working on right now. Alright guys, console's back in, e-brake's working great now. What do you guys think of the car? Do you think it turned out pretty good? I think it looks pretty sharp. Everything looking really clean. I'm just gonna wash it and I'm gonna go take it for a ride. But that pretty much sums up this week's vlog, everyone. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna be out of the country this coming week, so I won't be able to put out a vlog, I don't think, for next Sunday. There is a chance I will, depending on if I can get some footage down to where I'm going in the States. If not, I'll see you guys very, very soon, and take care till then.